At Engineering Excellence, we evaluate, consult, and assist automotive manufacturers by providing quality drivers to perform real-life driving applications. Our expert staff of qualified drivers are currently testing the General Motors hybrids in highway and city commuter driving conditions. We provide daily route assignments, detailed analysis, and vehicle monitoring of key items such as diagnostic codes, miles driven, gas consumption, mileage performance, fluid usage, oil consumption, and much more. At Engineering Excellence, we offer the experience, skill, knowledge, and resources to provide your company with the services necessary for the successful testing of your vehicle's overall performance. Our drivers also monitor and report any vehicle incidents, including stalls, shutoffs, and diagnostic codes or warning lights. As a condition of our services, we'll provide weekly and monthly vehicle maintenance, including washing, vacuuming, fluid changes, and detailing. As a one-stop shop for your automotive testing needs, Engineering Excellence understands the challenges that you'll face when launching new brands or product lines. Therefore, we'll gladly assist in route design or layout suggestions in order to help provide the very best automotive product to your many valued customers. Our primary focus is to assist you in the gathering of field performance data under city commuter and highway drive conditions in various climates and traffic patterns. Of the many benefits of utilizing our company, it's quite clear that we're simply the best choice for your automotive testing needs and offer exemplary customer and support services along with the technical ability to accurately acquire the necessary data for your test module.
At Engineering Excellence, we do safety assessment and abuse testing, or data collection, which covers high-voltage battery submersion and component submersion testing, drop testing, and we also do focus groups and clinics for automotive manufacturers. So for your next projects, contact Engineering Excellence at 404-777-1809 and info@eexcellence.com.